Take a ride in the 2017 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, remote keyless entry, front stabilizer bar, tire pressure monitoring system, braking assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.